So then we have the other extension, which is day or night. Is it going to be shot in the daytime or is it going to be shot at nighttime? Day or night? What some people do is they'll write a time, like, 7:30 p.m. No, don't do that, right? It's either day or night. Now, sometimes you will see dawn or dusk or something like that, morning, sunrise, sunset, all that kind of thing. Try to stick with day or night. If the sun's rising over the ocean, for example, and you wanted a sunrise, you could technically do that. How long do you think it's going to take to film a dog escaping from someone's arms and then running to someone else who is taking photographs of the sunrise over the ocean? In actual film time, right, when you're actually on set filming that, it's going to take quite a while. And, then you've got the person handing the dog back as well. There's all these complications because, first of all, it's an animal and you're going to have more than one shot, as well trained as it is. And then you've got to make sure the crew catches up and all this sort of stuff. And you've got to catch that sunrise at a certain point, right? So it looks linear. It's basically got to be a linear shot, which is going to be very difficult to do. So you've only got that small window of opportunity during the sunrise to do that. So maybe just stick with day or night, but with this scenario, it's obviously an important aspect of the story. It's just something I just made up for here, but it could be an important aspect and therefore you'd like to use it. And that's fine, but have a good reason to use it.